Want to know the next trend in travel is? Here's a hint. The Chinese invented it in the 1600s. The English played off that invention in the 19th century. And now in 2018, hipsters are reshaping this item for the world of travel. Intrigued? Stay tuned. But in the meantime, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. The 73rd Travel Trends Expo in Orlando, Florida just wrapped up last month. This is the same show that predicted wheels on suitcases back in the late 60s and that smartphones would change travel forever. Would you travel without your smartphone today? These people know what is what and are rarely wrong. The standout trend in 2018, according to Travel Trend, is cardboard. What you say? Yes, it is true. The big trend among hipsters is DIY travel bags. More precisely, travel bags made of cardboard. For those who lead the pack, they are wanting even more individuality. Trends in the travel for the last few years was about going to places that were out of the way and hard to get to. Greenland, Farrow Islands, Tristian de Chuna. Now travel insiders want one-of-a-kind bags situated to their individual taste with a strong environmental component, and one-of-a-kind cardboard bags check all the boxes. As one DIYer pointed out, as the cardboard wears, it softens, thus becoming enduring to the owner. Here is some history. The Chinese invented cardboard in the 1600s. The English played off that invention and created the first commercial cardboard box in 1817. Pleated paper, an early form of corrugated board, initially served as a lining for men's hats. By the 1870s, corrugated cardboard cushioned delicate glassware during shipments. Stronger, lined corrugated cardboard soon followed. American Robert Garrett produced the first really effective cardboard box in 1879. His die-cut and scored box could be stored flat and then easily folded for use. Flash forward to 2003, when two university students made all of their furniture from FedEx boxes. Stacy McGuise, a PhD candidate at the University of the Pacific, points to this as one incident that changed the DIY community. Ms. McGuise claims that this gave DIYers carte blanche to create using cardboard. And did they create? It should be pointed out it is not just cardboard bags, but duct tape bags as well. Jeff Jeffries, a self-proclaimed hipster and world traveler from Stockton, California, says, "People are individuals, so why shouldn't my bag be one of a kind like me?" His personal bag is what the industry calls a beer box bag. So what's next? Pet carriers? Thanks for watching this first day of April. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.